Good morning students, hope you all are fine. Here the video explaining on opening an existing database and modifying table design.
Start Access 2013. Click on Start, All Programs, and then select Microsoft Office 2013 and finally click on Access 2013. This will open the Access 2013 screen.
Let's see how to open an existing database in Access. Let's see the steps. Firstly, select File. Select Open, then the open page appears. In the center pane, there are three options in which we can choose from: Recent, OneDrive, and this PC or computer. Here we choose this PC or computer. After selecting this PC or computer, click on Browse that appears in the right pane. Choose the drive and folder that contains the database in the open dialog box that appears. Select the required database and then click on the Open button. Let's start a new topic. Adding and deleting a field. Here are the steps. Firstly, click the column header of the field to the right, of which you want to add a field with the required data type. After that, click the required data type button in the Add or Delete group. On the Fields tab, a new field named Field 1 is inserted. And lastly, if we want to delete a field, click the field to select it and then click Delete in the Add or Delete group. Click Yes in the message box that appears to permanently delete the field. This way we can add or delete a field. Let's move to the next topic. Moving a field. Let's see its steps. Firstly, click the column header that want to move. And then after, drag it to the left or the right. Notice the tick line that appears on dragging. Release the mouse button. Let's move to the topic. Hiding or unhiding fields or columns. First and foremost, click the column header that we want to hide. If we want to select more than one column, press Shift key, and then after, click the Home tab. In the Records group, click the More button and then click Hide Fields. Now we cannot see any of the hidden fields in the datasheet view. Lastly, in the Records group, click the More button and click Unhide Fields to open the Unhide Columns dialog box. Freezing or unfreezing a field. Firstly, if we have a number of fields in a table, we will not able to see the entire set of fields until you scroll to the right. We can freeze the required fields we wish to see. To freeze the fields, click their headers. Secondly, click the Home tab. In the Records group, click the More button and then click Freeze Fields. We can see all the frozen fields while scrolling to the right. And lastly, to restore the fields to their previous state, click More in the Records group and then click Unfreeze all fields.